Hey guys, it's your boy Eccentric Dave. I just want to say thank you to those that's come and watch my videos. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, share with your friends, and like and leave a comment. Today we're making homemade chicken. Very simple to make. I use my everyday spices at home and we just mix the here are the ingredients I use. You can find in the descriptions below. And please don't forget to leave comments letting me know what we can do for the next videos, or if you got any more ideas, just let me know. Thanks for your time and let's go. So today we want to keep it really easy and simple. I want to use the everyday ingredient to make my perfect fried chicken wings. So today, you don't have to necessarily follow everything I got here, but if you can look up here, I got so much everyday. Even look, roast potato seasoning. I'm going to grab a little bit on it. It's a bit crumbly, so I want to add a bit of crumbs into that flour. That's what I'm using it. Just a little bit of spices in there. And your paprika, your black pepper, your, what's this? I don't even know. I'm just looking at the peppercorn. I just basically packed everything out of my chicken, my spices cupboard, and we're going to mix it into this flour. I want to have that perfect fried chicken wings. So, first, I'm just going to use my eyes. I'm just going to give you what you can do, make it simple. 1 tablespoon of paprika. It gives you that colorfulness that you guys see in your chicken wings, thinking, oh, chicken is looking nice, looking nice. Guess what? Paprika. Yes, that's right. Some black pepper. Just go with your eyes to taste. I like spices. Be like, oh my God, yes, I like spices. Yeah, I do. Vegetable seasoning spices, all purpose, but all vegetable. This thing is really good. Like, if you don't have this in your house, it was my other video, vegetables. I don't know why I called it that video, but yeah, this is where it was. Everyone should have this in the house. Trust me. This stuff right here, banger. It goes with anything, anything. And then, I want to put some flames in there. Some hot and very spicy. Oh, you'd be like, God damn, that thing is spicy. Yeah. If I should change to all spicy wings. But yeah, this is just perfect home fried chicken. But I like my spice. I'm using this because it's got a few stuff in it. Some chili, some sea salts, some Cornish sea salts, by the way. And it's called Santa Cruz chili. Try it out. Let me know. Leave comments, subscribe, smash that button. You know what I mean. And once again, thank you guys for, if you like what you've seen so far, please keep supporting me. Please just keep sharing me. Tell your friends about it. I got great things to come. Yep, guess what this is? Some garlic Cornish sea salts. By the way, roasted garlic, should I say garlic, roasted garlic, Cornish sea salt. Just a little bit. Simple. Just put it together. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. This is one of my secret things I use. You guys don't know. So if you want to find this, the Polish shop and this shop, they said it's basically the same as you for the picture. It's just vegetable stock. You can use this as a broth also. It basically is a broth made from broth, different stock, you know. And you can add a little bit more. It gives a little bit of oomph to the flavor. And it's a bit crumbly as well. I don't know if you can see it. I put some in my hand so you can see it. A little bit crumbly as well. But you have to be very careful with this. Don't forget I added salt in here as well. I don't add too much salt. There was salt in the garlic had salt. Some because I added that salt. This sauce and this. Now I know I can still add this. Not too much. Add all of them. It's beautiful. Looking great. Look at the colors. It's like a rainbow on my plate. Just tasted it. I realized I can add more paprika because I still want the color to be strong, you know. So let me try. I'm also adding a little bit. I tell you, use everything in the home. Like I added a little bit of barbecue or seasoning in it. Look at it. Barbecue rub from TGI Friday. I don't play, bro. That's why I don't go out to eat much because I make my own food at home. You know what I'm saying? So I add a little bit of that TGI Friday to the sauce. Bring it to the live. Give it a little dab. So now, don't worry about the mess. I love it. So now it's ready to make. We're ready to get our chicken wings in there. First, we're gonna need some eggs. We get this bowl, simple. Like I said, if you don't have milk, you just need eggs. 2 eggs will do the job. Chicken and chips outside. Ew, did you guys see that? Look at this egg. Look at this egg. Look at it. This is what we pay for. You pay for eggs and it comes with little babies. I don't even know what to call that. But I'll get rid of that in a minute. In fact, I'll get rid of that now. I'll show you guys an easy way to get rid of these things. It's quite easy. I mean, it takes a bit of technique, but easy. Just take a little fork. That's it. Simple. And then, off the camera, I just need to quickly need to scoop it, but just like that. See? All into the plate. Get rid of those nastiness. I don't know what they're selling to us out here. So that's why it's so sometimes when you're eating egg, it's nice to eat it well cooked because that's it. You don't know what's inside. Yeah. Get a little bit of that off. Can't stand these things right here. It puts me off, like really puts me off by the way. I can't really stand stuff like that. So you just get one more egg. Crack the other egg. Holy moly. Anyways, let's just move on. Because we're thinking about eggs, we're not gonna get this done. Now I've done it. In fact, I would still get this out, guys. I can't really stand this. Sorry. Can't stand this right now. Just letting you guys. And the way you can use a whisk for this. But when you're a big bad boy like us, use fork, blood. Use fork. I got a whisk by the way, but I like to use my fork. And that's it. You're ready to blow this out. So that's it's a simple mix. I mean, if you have anything you want to give me more ideas and tips of what I could have added to this flour to even make it better, just let me know. So now I got my chicken. We're ready to get this done. Got my flour mixed right in front of you with everyday things. Like I'll put the description of everything I added in this, so you know exactly what I added in case you want to get this. You want to taste exactly what I'm doing right here. Check the description below. I cleaned this chicken already, off scene, off camera, so nice and clean. And all you do, you take your chicken. I mean, can you see the egg? You dab it. Let's swim in there like ooh. Voila. Take this bad boy. Dab into your flour just like that. Just like that. Get it. Place it on the side. Let it sit for like 5 minutes. Let the egg absorb into the flavor, and also the flour sticks more to the body. So when it goes in the pan, it really fries really well. It fries really, really well. It gives you that crispiness we're looking for. Guys, it's time to pour the chicken in. First of all, I just usually pour one is just to check the temperature, just to get it ready and coming. But when I pour the chicken in, you cover it with some foil paper to give it that steam so it's well cooked to the bone. So just add some chicken. My wings are going in. So this is what I usually do to get my chicken well cooked, to give it that steam. Now, I believe I could fly. Yes, the wings are about to fly. The wings are gonna fly right in here, you know, like so, like so. And my guy says like so. Let's swim in there like, ooh, I can swim in there. The person behind the camera is gonna sneeze in a minute.
You get me? Yeah.
What
okay, no, that's a bit much. Please, I don't say scatter it.
Look at the colors, it's like a rainbow on my plate. The chickens and the wings are like, yo, you gotta get me in there, bruh. Hold on, chicken. Time is coming for you. In my belly, you will be very